Hi, my name is Kelsey Pews, and this is my project on communication. For this project, I chose to research scent marking in mammals. Other animals do scent mark, such as reptiles, but most of the scent marking is used by mammals. There are many different ways that animals like to leave their scent behind. Some of the obvious ones would be through urine or feces. As they urinate or defecate, that leaves behind their specific scent. There are also glands, whether it's in their face, their paws, near their anus, or anywhere else on their body, that they might rub on an area or a surface to leave their scent behind for other conspecifics, as well as for other animals. Now in the top video, you can see an opossum rubbing his facial glands on a branch, and on the bottom video, you can see a cat using the glands in between the toe pads of their paws to leave its scent on the blanket. There are many reasons that animals will scent mark. One very simple reason is to leave behind information. Their scent will let other animals know, specifically other conspecifics, know their sex, their age, whether or not they're ready to mate. And it basically just gives a snapshot of that animal as they leave their scent behind. Mating is a very good reason that they will scent mark. Males will go through an area and leave their scent behind for females. It essentially gives the females the information of whether or not that male has good genes, is healthy, and is ready to mate. And she will go through and make her decision on which male she wants to mate with. Dominance and territory, they kind of go hand in hand as far as scent marking for those. Animals will use scent marking as a deterrent for aggression, or as a warning for other conspecifics in the area, saying, hey, this is my territory, stay out. They also may mark as a way to show other conspecifics that specific group of animals is their family or their pack. And with territory too, animals may just leave behind their scent almost as a way of kind of leaving breadcrumbs for themselves, or knowing, which part of the territory they go through and finding their way back to their nest or whatever comfortable part of that territory they want to be in, where their family is. They will leave their scent behind so that they can navigate, essentially. In this video, you can see a red panda going through a tree, and occasionally it will rub the glands right above its anus on the branches to leave its scent behind. And in the photo below, you can see a meerkat who is urinating on a plant to leave its scent on a territory. Now, as with all forms of communications, there are benefits and costs of using scent marking. A couple of the benefits: minimal effort. So in order to leave a scent behind, an animal doesn't really need to put forth much energy. Obviously, animals need to urinate and defecate, and so when they do that, they leave their scent behind, whether they mean to or not. And then with marking with their glands, all they have to do is rub that gland on whatever area they want to leave their scent on. So it's very minimal effort type of communication. Another benefit is that they don't need to be in the immediate area. They can leave that scent behind for females or for other conspecifics to leave their information that they want to communicate, and then they can go about their business. They don't need to stay in that immediate area in order for the information to be passed along. Unfortunately, with that benefit also comes a cost, where they leave their scent behind, and it essentially advertises location to predators. So that predator essentially knows that with that scent, there must be a meal in that immediate area, and sometimes that can give away a location of an animal to a predator. Another cost of scent marking would be during mating. Their scent essentially gives the female a snapshot of their health and of their genes. And if that animal happens to have an infection or some kind of illness, they'll leave that scent behind, and the female will be able to tell that they are not the healthiest choice for a mate, and it may cost them their mating season for that year.